Why these niggas lame?
Alright, we got a quick DIY of a 2014 Dodge Charger SXT 3.6 thermostat. Don't mind the intake off, I'm also doing a tune-up on there as well. Boom. Tools for the job. Flathead screwdriver. 10mm. A drain bucket. New thermostat, and I got fresh coolant, but let's get to the job. Basically, there's gonna be a clamp like this on here. You loosen it up, and there's gonna be another clamp on this end connected to the thermostat. Boom. Pop that out. Connected to the throttle body. Pop that out. Boom. Now, got your upper radiator hose down there. I already did it. It's called the petcock. You turn that, drain the coolant. Boom. Going over here to your thermostat, you have a 10mm screw up top. You have a 10mm screw down bottom. Take those out, which I've already started doing. Boom. Now you have your thermostat. From here, you push down and turn, and the thermostat comes out. That piece and that piece. All right. Your new thermostat should come with a new gasket here, the gasket around your thermostat, the spring, and the lock-in clip. Now, lock the thermostat in. Put your spring on. Hold on. Dropping things. New gasket. Spring. Boom. All right. So, got your thermostat in. Put your big gasket. Lock that in position. Take your spring. Hold that in place. Put that in the center. This one's been a little bitch. So, what I'm gonna do is disconnect it from the alright, it doesn't want to disconnect from there. So, got it started. I'm gonna take my pliers and turn it all the way in. Boom. Thermostat locked in place. With the new thermostat in, pop her back in position. Put your 10mm bolts back in and tighten her up. Make sure your petcock is tight. Your peacock or petcock, however y'all want to say it. The lower screw in. Tighten these back up. And get ready to bleed the system after this. That's an 8. 10mm to disappear like they always do. Oh, we lost it.